Look at that cushion. I love Korea. Look at that. No, wait. No, bounce. Like, no. We need to, like, do a thing where we, like, jump in the bed. This is Korea, y'all. The hardest beds in the world.
If my cushion, my little cushion, because this bed is so hard. My back hurts. I need some.
Look at that. You can't even bounce. Look at that. My foot didn't even come back. Do you see that? One more time.
Okay, you can get out now. I'm taking a nap.
Yeah, she taking a nap. Stories in Korea. Oh, you want me to do the nap song? It's Imani's nap time. Imani's nap time. Imani's nap time. With a satin pillowcase.
It would be nice if you could let me have my nap time.
I love Korea. We take more naps in Korea than we do in the U.S.
I'm still jet lagged. Leave me alone.
This is Imani's room, and then I'll show you my room next.
Do it. Don't. It's messy. Don't do it.
Yours. Mine looks like an escape, like a tornado happened to it, and Monkey Beach stopped by. And it's Imani's nap time. Imani's nap time. Good night. It's daytime outside. Good night.
Yes, good night. Okay. The eyelids are closed and it's gonna be dark. So good night.
Good night, Imani. Good night, Imani. We love Imani. Hee 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 hee. Night. My room. This is where I live, guys. It's my hallway in New Purdy. It's very quiet. Kind of being loud though, so the quiet is not there anymore, but it's okay. Ooh, infinite, infinite, infinite. It's my first poster. As you come into my door, you get met by infinite. And then we got some Jay Park. That's secretly my husband, but no one knows about it yet. And then all my husbands. I'm a K-pop polygamist. That's what I call myself. And I have BAP, one of my favorite rookie bands to ever be released ever in the history of the world. And then some more infinite. Some more infinite. This is what came with my album, Paradise. And then I have some more posters. JYJ, Big Bang. Then got me some CN Blue. Some more infinite. As you can tell, I'm in spirit to the fullest. Some Suju, some Beast, some 2 p.m. Put Your Hands Up. When I first got to Korea last semester, oh my god, this song played everywhere I went. And then Roly Poly always followed afterwards. Dear God. This is my room. It's really messy, but we kind of had a night of fun time clubbing, yay. So it was kind of interesting. So basically, you know the time when you're trying to find clothes but you can't, so you go through all your whole closet, like destroy it. What you do. And then this is my blankie. Isn't it pretty? It's Hello Kitty. I love Korea. I got Hello Kitty as soon as I got here for really cheap. Like my blanket's Hello Kitty, my pillows, everything is Hello Kitty. So fun. It's like a preview of my room. And then there's my bathroom. It's like one big connected thing. Like, you see the shower is like connected, but everything dries like immediately. So it's like really cool. US, get on this. It'd be nice. So nice. And then me, hey. And then got my little mini fridge. And my computer. And then that's all my family members on my wall. My pretty, pretty family. There's my mommy. That's the mom I was talking about in the first video. She's so awesome though. Sometimes you can't even tell she has a Haitian accent because she's really good at hiding it. You gotta get her upset first. Then it comes out. But she's the awesomest mommy in the world. There's my best friend. There's my baby cousins. There's my science family from my school. It's my whole fam in one photo from Easter. Yep. That's my family. There's my beautiful aunt. My other beautiful aunt. So that's my room. That's like all my products that I had to bring with me, because some stuff in Korea I can't, sometimes that I use in the US I can't find here, so I had to bring, especially I'm African American, so in terms of hair products, that's my main problem. So there's my hair and soap. cubby. Is that Palmer's swag? Yeah. So this is my room. It's like I love how I have an entrance of infinite as soon as I get in my door. It's like infinite. If they had more BAP posters, I would have likely to own every single one, but they only have one as of now. But I know as time goes on, they will have more, and I will have every single one. So there's my husband secretly, my other one, BYG, Bangangukshi, and Jello. We always joke around that me and BYG are husband and wife, and we had Jello secretly. Imchan, Daeun, Youngjae, Jungkook. Yay! I need to go to his concert. I'm gonna use my foreign powers to see if I can get in. Alrighty, so this is like a little preview of my room. I'll make another video soon answering your questions about Korea and stuff like that. See you soon. Bye.